And a person of interest has been taken into custody in connection with the death of the 15-year-old. Head of the Trelawny Police, Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton, is seeking the public's assistance as the investigation continues.
We are working assiduously to bring this particular case to a successful closure. So far, we have one person of interest in our custody, and we are relentlessly pursuing other leads. In the interim, though, we are also appealing to citizens in the area who may have information in relation to this crime to contact us. They may do so at 954-3222 or 999-1608.